Saturn is a beautiful planet. Known for its stunning rings, Saturn stands out in our solar system. These rings are not just a single band, but a complex system of thousands of individual ringlets, each contributing to the planet's majestic appearance. The rings are so expansive that they can be seen from Earth with a small telescope, making Saturn a favorite among amateur astronomers. It has rings made of ice and rock. These rings are huge, stretching over 280,000 kilometers in diameter. They are composed of countless particles ranging in size from tiny grains of dust to massive chunks as large as mountains. The ice and rock that make up the rings reflect sunlight, giving them a shimmering, almost ethereal quality that captivates anyone who gazes upon them. They are thousands of kilometers wide. The sheer scale of Saturn's rings is mind-boggling. If you were to travel from one end of the rings to the other, it would be like journeying from Earth to the Moon and back multiple times. This vast expanse is divided into several main rings, named alphabetically in the order they were discovered: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. We see the rings because they reflect sunlight. The particles within the rings are primarily made of water ice, which is highly reflective. When sunlight hits these icy particles, it bounces off and creates the bright luminous appearance that we see from Earth. This reflection is so strong that it can even outshine the planet itself at certain angles. The rings are not solid. Despite their solid appearance from a distance, Saturn's rings are actually made up of countless small pieces. These particles are constantly moving, colliding, and interacting with each other, creating a dynamic and ever-changing structure. The gaps and divisions within the rings, such as the famous Cassini division, are the result of gravitational interactions with Saturn's moons. They're made of many small pieces. Each piece, whether it is a tiny ice crystal or a larger rock fragment, plays a role in the overall structure of the rings. The composition of these particles varies, with some being almost pure water ice, while others contain a mix of rock and dust. This diversity adds to the complexity and beauty of the rings. Saturn's rings are a mystery. Despite centuries of observation and study, many questions about the rings remain unanswered. How did they form? How old are they? Why do they have such a complex structure? These mysteries continue to intrigue scientists and inspire further exploration. We do not know how they formed. There are several theories about the origin of Saturn's rings. Some scientists believe they are remnants of a moon that was shattered by a collision or torn apart by Saturn's gravity. Others suggest they could be leftover material from the formation of the planet itself. Each theory has its own set of supporting evidence, but none have been definitively proven. But they remind us that our universe is full of wonders. The rings of Saturn are a testament to the beauty and complexity of our solar system. They serve as a reminder that there is still so much we do not know and so much more to discover. As we continue to explore and learn, the rings of Saturn will remain one of the most iconic and awe-inspiring features of our cosmic neighborhood. Earth does not have rings like Saturn. Our planet formed differently. While Saturn's rings are made up of ice and rock, Earth's formation process and its proximity to the Sun played crucial roles in its ringless state. The story of Earth's formation is a fascinating journey through time and space, marked by unique events and conditions that set it apart from its ringed neighbors in the solar system. Earth is closer to the Sun. This proximity means that the conditions around Earth are vastly different from those around the gas giants like Saturn. The intense heat from the Sun would have a significant impact on any potential ring system. Unlike the outer planets, which are far enough from the Sun to maintain icy rings, Earth's position in the solar system subjects it to much higher temperatures. The Sun's heat would have melted any ice rings. Earth's gravity is strong. The combination of solar radiation and Earth's gravitational pull would make it difficult for any ring system to remain stable. Ice particles that might have formed rings would quickly vaporize in the heat, and rocky debris would be pulled apart by the planet's gravity. This dynamic environment ensures that Earth remains ringless. It would pull apart any rings made of rock. The gravitational forces at play around Earth are powerful enough to disrupt and disintegrate any rocky material that might attempt to form a ring. This constant tug-of-war between gravitational forces and the material trying to coalesce into rings results in the scattering of debris, preventing the formation of a stable ring system. Some scientists think Earth had a ring long ago. The early solar system was a chaotic place with frequent collisions and interactions between forming planets and other celestial bodies. During this tumultuous period, it is possible that Earth did have a ring system, albeit temporarily. These rings could have been formed from debris resulting from massive impacts or other significant events in Earth's early history. A large object may have hit Earth. One of the most widely accepted theories is that a Mars-sized body collided with the early Earth. This colossal impact would have ejected a vast amount of debris into orbit around our planet. The force of the collision and the resulting debris would have created a temporary ring system, a spectacular sight in the early solar system. This created debris that circled our planet. The debris from the impact would have formed a ring around Earth, consisting of both rocky and metallic fragments. Over time, these fragments would interact with each other and with Earth's gravity, leading to a gradual coalescence of the material. This process of accretion would eventually result in the formation of a new celestial body, but over time, this debris came together. It formed our moon. The moon, our constant companion in the night sky, is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. The formation of the moon from the debris of a colossal impact is a reminder of the violent and dramatic processes that shaped our planet and its surroundings. Today, the moon stands as a silent witness to Earth's ringless history. Imagine Earth with rings like Saturn. It would be a spectacular sight. The rings would be visible day and night. They would appear as bright bands across the sky. The rings would be most visible at the equator. They would appear thinner and fainter near the poles. The rings would reflect sunlight. This would make our nights brighter. Earth's rings would change our climate. The rings would block some sunlight. This would cool the planet. The amount of sunlight blocked would depend on the ring's size and density. Some areas would be in shadow for longer periods. This could affect plant growth and animal behavior. Section 5. Navigating by the ring. For centuries, humans have used the stars to navigate. With rings, navigation would be easier. The rings would provide a fixed reference point in the sky. Sailors and explorers could use the rings to determine their location. They could travel across the oceans with more confidence. Even today, the rings would be helpful for navigation. Section 6. A sky for new dreams. The night sky is a source of wonder. It inspires us to dream of distant worlds. With rings. Section 7. Life adapts. Earth's evolution with rings. Life on Earth has adapted to our planet's conditions. If Earth had rings, life would adapt to this new feature. Animals might use the rings for navigation. Plants might evolve to thrive in the different light conditions. The rings would become a part of Earth's ecosystem. Section 8. Our place in the cosmos, a new perspective. Earth is unique in our solar system. It is a vibrant, living planet teeming with life and natural beauty. From the vast oceans that cover its surface to the lush green forests that breathe life into the atmosphere, Earth stands out as a beacon of life in the vastness of space. The intricate dance of ecosystems, the diversity of species, and the dynamic weather patterns all contribute to the uniqueness of our home planet. It is the only planet we know of that harbors life. The delicate balance of conditions that allow life to thrive here is nothing short of miraculous. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every living being plays a role in maintaining this balance. The interconnectedness of life on Earth is a testament to the planet's ability to support a diverse range of species, each contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. If Earth had rings, it would make our planet even more special. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a magnificent ring system encircling our world. These rings would not only add to the visual splendor of our planet, but also serve as a constant reminder of the beauty and complexity of the universe. The rings would be a symbol of Earth's uniqueness, setting it apart from all other planets in our solar system. It would remind us that we live on a beautiful and dynamic planet. The ever-changing landscapes, the rhythmic cycles of day and night, and the seasonal transformations all highlight the dynamic nature of Earth. The rings would be a visual representation of this dynamism, constantly shifting and changing as they reflect the light of the sun. They would serve as a reminder of the transient nature of life and the importance of cherishing every moment. The universe is full of wonders. From the swirling galaxies to the colorful nebulae, the cosmos is a vast and mysterious place. Each star, each planet, and each celestial body holds its own secrets waiting to be discovered. The beauty of the universe lies in its diversity and complexity, and Earth, with its potential rings, would be a shining example of this cosmic wonder. Earth with rings would be one of them. It would be a sight to behold, a marvel of nature that would captivate the imagination of all who gaze upon it. The rings would be a testament to the beauty and uniqueness of our planet, a reminder of our place in the cosmos, and an inspiration to explore and understand the universe around us. In this new perspective, we see Earth not just as a planet, but as a jewel in the vast expanse of space, a beacon of life and beauty in the cosmos.